Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Foldie Travel Bag is probably one of the most versatile travel companions you'll ever find. This bag isn't just about carrying your stuff, it's about adapting to your journey. Whether you're a minimalist packer or someone who likes to be prepared for anything, this bag's expandable design and thoughtful features make it a game changer. Get ready to ditch the stress of overpacking and embrace a new level of travel convenience. Number 5. Foldie 40L Foldable Travel Bag for Women. This is the Foldie, a foldable travel bag designed for women. It's perfect for weekend getaways or as a carry-on. It's designed to make your travel easier. With a 40-liter capacity, it offers plenty of space for your belongings. You can pack everything you need for a short trip. It's expandable too, giving you even more room. The bag features multiple pockets to keep your items organized. You can easily separate your shoes, toiletries, and other essentials. This helps you stay organized on the go. It's designed to meet carry-on size restrictions, making it ideal for air travel. It's also perfect as a weekender bag for road trips. It's a versatile travel companion. The bag is foldable for easy storage when not in use. It can also be expanded to provide extra packing space. It's convenient and adaptable to your needs. What we like. This bag's foldable design is a game changer. It collapses for easy storage when not in use. If you are looking for a space-saving solution for your travels, this is the one for you. What people say. It holds an amazing amount of items and the bag itself is very lightweight. It's very clever how it folds into itself, making it very compact. This bag is perfect as a weekender bag, carry-on or as a personal item on a flight. Number 4. Foldie 40L Foldable Weekender Travel Bag. This is the perfect travel companion for women. It's designed to be both stylish and practical, making your trips easier and more enjoyable. With a spacious 40L capacity, it can hold everything you need for a weekend getaway. It's also carry-on approved, saving you time and hassle at the airport. Stay organized with its multiple pockets. You can easily separate your belongings, keeping everything within reach. The bag is foldable for easy storage when not in use. It can also expand to accommodate extra items, providing flexibility for your travel needs. Get ready to experience the convenience and style of this travel bag. It's the perfect blend of functionality and fashion, making it an essential for every woman. What we like. This bag's foldable design is a game changer. It collapses for easy storage when not in use. If you are looking for a space-saving solution for your travels, this is the one for you. What people say. It holds an amazing amount of items and the bag itself is very lightweight. It's very clever how it folds into itself, making it very compact. This bag is perfect as a weekender bag, carry-on or as a personal item on a flight. Number 3. Foldie 40L Foldable Weekender Travel Bag. This is the Foldie 40L Foldable Weekender Travel Bag. It's designed for women who love to travel. This bag is perfect for weekend getaways. With a 40-liter capacity, it offers plenty of space. You can pack everything you need for your trip. It's carry-on compliant, making travel a breeze. Stay organized with its multiple pockets. These pockets help you keep everything in its place. You can easily access your belongings. The bag is foldable for easy storage. It can also be expanded to accommodate more items. It's a versatile travel companion. This bag is the perfect carry-on. It is designed to meet airline requirements. Make your travel experience more convenient. What we like. This bag's foldable design is a game changer. It collapses for easy storage when not in use. If you are looking for a space-saving solution for your travels, this is the one for you. What people say. The Foldie is incredibly spacious and fits a lot more than expected. The bag is very well made and the material feels durable. The expandable feature is a game changer for travel, allowing for extra space when needed. Number 2. WOOMADA Foldable Travel Duffel Bag. This is the perfect travel companion. It's designed to make your trips easier and more organized, whether you're going for a weekend getaway or a longer adventure. The bag folds down for easy storage when not in use. It's incredibly convenient, saving you space at home and making it simple to pack in your luggage. Need more room? This duffel bag has expandable space. It can easily accommodate your extra belongings, ensuring you're always prepared. This bag is ideal for weekend trips and carry-on use. Its size and design meet airline requirements, making it a hassle-free choice for your travels. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. You can rely on it to withstand the rigors of travel, keeping your items safe and secure. What we like? It offers expandable space, perfect for those trips where you might bring back more than you started with. It's also carry-on compliant, saving you on baggage fees. If you often find yourself needing extra room for souvenirs or shopping, it's a great choice. What people say. The Foldie is incredibly spacious and can hold a lot more than you think. The multiple compartments are great for organizing different items. The expandable feature is very useful for accommodating extra belongings. Number 1. Ranslen Folding Travel Bag with Dry and Wet Separation. This is the Ranslen Large Capacity Folding Travel Bag. It's designed for all your travel needs. It's a convenient and practical solution for any trip. This bag offers ample space for everything you need. It can easily accommodate clothes, shoes, and all your travel essentials. You'll be amazed at how much it can hold. Need more room? This travel bag features an expandable design. It provides extra capacity when you need it. It's perfect for those trips where you might bring back more than you started with. Keep your wet items separate from your dry ones with the built-in separation compartment. This feature ensures your belongings stay clean and organized. It's a thoughtful design for your convenience. The bag is designed to be portable and easy to carry. It can also be folded for easy storage when not in use. It's the perfect travel companion. What we like? This bag boasts a large capacity, ideal for longer trips. It also features a dry and wet separation compartment, keeping your items organized. If you like to keep your wet items separate from the dry ones, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Foldie is a great bag for travel. It has a lot of room and expands to fit even more. The bag is well made and seems durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.